Yo, de Dubai para Abu Dhabi bajamos en un yate. Haciendo el amor lo mío dentro de ya.
Good morning.
Good morning. We just woke up.
I woke up to fucking cold because hard turned down the fucking thermostat so much.
I didn't realize it was
My
gonna be
feet,
that
like,
bad.
were,
I'm
like,
freezing too.
My feet are freezing, bro.
I didn't mean to, but I put it back up. Yo, this TV. We went to sleep. We went to sleep on TV, but now it's on Netflix.
Bro, we literally put the channel for like random channels on for TV. We were watching. We had the TV on the whole night, and we wake up and it's on Netflix. Mind you, nobody changed this shit. The remote is standing right, literally right
That's
there.
the remote, yo. That's the remote.
So who the fuck changed this to Netflix?
Yeah.
That's what I want to know.
So crazy. Yeah. Just woke up, trying to plan out our day for the day, but just wanted to tell you guys an update. Morning! So we realized that we could open our window, so we opened it, and now we're basically outside. This is so beautiful. You can see everything. It's so nice. The palm trees, basically the pool is right there. The beach is literally right there, and then the ocean's right there. We're literally connected to the beach. We get our own private beach. This is amazing. This is a beautiful hotel. Oh my god. This is so nice. It's so nice. Food vlog. Food vlog. It's actually so fire. Really good. Like, let me show you what we got real quick. Pancakes, fried banana, a little bit of rice, and French toast. Granola with yogurt, strawberry yogurt, and my chocolate milk. What you got?
I got pancakes, omelets, eggs, French toast, fried plantains, sausage, other sausages, and taquitos. Hey yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the vlog. We are ready to go into
Beach
the pool.
day, pool day.
Yes sir, we're going out there finally, man. Bro, second day here, bro.
It's crazy. First full day.
First full day. Yeah. Yes sir. You ready?
Yeah. I just gotta get sunscreen, then we good to go, baby.
Let's get it, baby. See y'all soon.
Let's see the fit real quick though. What you got? What you rocking?
So,
what you rocking?
nice
Let's see the
swim
fit.
shorts on.
You got the nice swim shorts.
Cali with the
Cali
hoodie
shirt.
on.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Sandals on.
Yes sir. Ready for that
Drip
beach?
right here. You know, I got the glasses on good too.
Yes sir.
Drip is nice.
Polarized glasses.
Let's check out yours though. Let's check out yours.
Let's go. I got the nice Ray-Bans, put $500 on these.
Yes sir.
Got the nice hoodie, $300 shirt right here.
Yes sir.
Got the fanny pack, you know, designer, $300.
Yes sir.
You know, and then we got these shorts, of course, short to show off the quads and the calves. You already know that's another 200. And
Yes,
we
sir.
got the classic Nike designer slides and another
Oh,
600.
yeah.
So total drip of $3,000. We out here.
We out here. Man, we living our life right now.
Let's go.
Found our spot.
Found our spot. This is gonna be our pool day today. Nice chill day. Looking great. Cannot wait to hop in that. Keep you guys posted. Hey yo.
Where we
yo.
at, baby?
Look at this beautiful life. Hey yo. Let's go. Nice
Sir.
cool vibes.
Nice ass pool,
Nice
bro. It's
cool
so
vibes.
dope
It's
here.
so nice. It's not cold.
Bro, and
Not hot.
this is one of the smaller pools. This isn't the biggest pool here.
Yeah, we're in the small one right now. We're trying to warm up to the big pools,
Yep.
the style. But
After
yeah,
that, going to the beach, baby.
this is insane.
Go to the beach.
I'm so excited right now. This is so
Insane,
nice, bro. This is so nice.
Fucking beautiful, bro. Oh, there's no way I'm.
Can you try that again?
Okay. Again. Bubble.
Bubble.
Ka.
Cow.
Te.
Hey.
Tatu.
Patu.
No, no. Tetu.
Patu.
Bubble katepetu.
Popo cafe.
Oh, he got it. He got it.
I got
Can I try one more time?
Okay. The same one?
Yeah, a different one. Anyone you want to do.
Okay. Me.
Me.
Encanta.
Encanta.
Tú.
Tú.
Pequeño.
Pequeño.
Trasero.
What?
Trasero.
Trasero.
Me encanta tu pequeño trasero.
Me encanta.
Ah.
What's wrong, man?
What are we saying though?
What are we saying?
What are we saying? Translate. About to go to the beach.
Go, baby.
Let's go.
Go, take your sandals off.
Oh yeah.
Let's go, baby.
You ready? Tell me how that water feels, bro.
Oh, water's nice and cold.
Oh my god, bro. It feels amazing. Bro, we can see straight through. Bro, where else? Where else can you see straight through?
I don't know.
That's insane. It feels amazing. We're out here, Cancun, Mexico. Look at all of this. This is insane. Bro, sit in one. That way, that way, that way.
This way?
Yep.
Ah, shit.
Don't drown. How's it feel? Is it relaxing?
Oh, so nice, bro.
Really? Hold this. Let me get in one.
Hold on one second.
No, you're good. You're good. It's fine. The tripod will be good. Oh my god, bro.
Sit, relax.
Oh. Bro, you can float.
I know. I'm floating. Technically, I'm forward floating right now. You know what I'm saying?
Oh my, it's so nice. Bro. Oh.
Bro, this is the life right here, man. This is the fucking life right here.
It's beautiful. It's so beautiful.
Oh.
Bro, put your head. Have you seen that? I'll get it. I'll get it. Oh, don't drop it. Don't drop it. Don't drop it. Don't drop it. Wait. Okay, don't drop.
Oh shit.
Put your head under the water, bro, real quick.
I can't put my foot in the water.
You can. You want to switch one? You want to switch?
No.
This is amazing.
I'm floating.
Smile. Let me take a picture.
Huh?
Let me take a picture. Smile. In the middle of the water right now. This is beautiful. This is so beautiful. This is amazing right now. This literally feels like a big pool, like just a big salty pool. It doesn't even feel like the ocean.
Everybody, welcome to Mexico.
Yes, sir.
Mexico.
Let's get a water check. Let's get a water check.
Water check?
Yes.
What you want me to do? Oh,
Go
shit.
under.
Go
I'll
under?
go under after you.
Ready?
Water check.
3, 2, 1.
Yes, sir. How's it feel?
Ooh, nice and cold, bro.
Yes, sir.
Now your turn.
Water check. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Oh, that feels amazing. It's very salty.
Very fucking salty, guys.
Very salty.
Salty ass water, but nice and clear, crystal clear water, bro.
Yes, sir. Try and be as careful as we can be with this camera, though.
Yes, sir. Don't want to drop this damn camera.
Welcome to Mexico.
Show them the fucking like that side over there.
Right, this look at the amazing ass view. Like look at every single aspect of it. In the middle of the water right now. You got every little bit. Look at this is our hotel right here. Beautiful hotel.
This is all the hotels.
This is literally our hotel. This whole part from that boat all the way over. It's our to the other to that little flag. All of this is our hotel. This is so nice.
Those are all like the more bougier.
Yes.
But I mean, hey, bro, like, our hotel's nice as fuck.
Yes,
bro.
sir.
Inside, outside, fucking dope as shit.
Guys, we're about to freaking do parasailing.
Yep.
Kinda crazy. I cannot believe we're about to do this.
Let's fucking do it, bro.
This is gonna be so much fun.
hyped.
I'm ready about to go in the air above the freaking Mexican Ocean.
Yep.
Kinda crazy.
Yes, sir.
Hey, yo, what are we doing? Robin! Let's go. Look here. Yo, hey, my driver. We're getting driven to the boat for parasailing. This is kind of crazy. We're on a jet ski.
Don't fall back. Hold on, right?
Huh?
Hold on.
I'm holding on to you. Bro. Look at me. Don't focus. Don't look. Look at that. Hey, yo. Look. Don't focus on that. Don't worry about it.
I know.
Don't worry about it. We're in the middle of the ocean right now. This is crazy.
Hey, we finally got the jet ski thing we wanted to do.
Huh?
We finally got
This
the
works.
jet ski thing we wanted to do.
I'll take this.
Parasailing, buddy.
What are we about to do, bro?
Parasailing,
That's
buddy.
kind of crazy.
Yo, let's go.
We're right here. To go parasailing. Can't wait. Oh, yo. Hey.
Yo, rocky ass boat. I like it.
Hey, yo.
Hay muchos.
De fresa y sabor a chocolate. No me gusta mucho, conmigo la macate. Tú con el consolador en la mano pensando en mí. Se te descargó y no te pudiste ver.
Superman.
Tú loco, la para el que te sube ya.
That's what we're gonna be on, bro. That's what we're gonna be on. I know, we're gonna be on that, bro. That's crazy.
Pero así como tú es que me gustan, que me agarran lo mío y lo cucutan.
We're about to go, guys.
I know, we're about to go.
This is crazy. I'm a little nervous.
Sit down.
Oh, shoot. Wait 1 second. Oh.
30 units. Hold on here.
Hold on to that.
Hold on to this.
Rob! Hey, yo! Hey, yo! Hey, yo! Oh! 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 Yo, Robin! Let's go!
Yo, shit.
Hey!
Let's go, man. Show the view.
Hey! Look at this! Rob! Rob! Yo! Bro, we're in the air!
We're in the fucking. Don't drop it.
Wait, I'm not gonna drop it. We're in the air, bro. Look. Oh! Oh!
Yo.
Oh!
Oh my god.
Robin. We're in the air, bro.
Parasailing, baby. Oh.
Look
my
at this
God.
view.
Show them that view, bro.
Look at the view. Bro, this is amazing.
Look, you can see.
Look, it doesn't look that deep. No, it's not. It's not that deep.
Are we going closer to the
Up. Hey, yo. This is crazy. Did you think we were gonna do this today?
All right.
Oh! Oh!
Holy smoke.
Oh! We stopped! No way!
Oh shit.
Oh!
Bro, it's fucking.
That's
oh my
crazy.
God, dope.
This is so lit.
This was so worth it.
This was worth the money, bro. This was worth the money.
Oh my god, it's so worth it.
My feet are not on the ground!
I know.
Oh!
En vacaciones pa' Cancún, después nos vamos pa' Tulum. La para de la pared, ella lo da la de Looney Tunes. Dile a tu novio que yo no me tranco. Lo que cuesta mi maleta lo tiene en el banco.
So you guys probably saw the montage, but right now we're being pulled really bad. Oh my god.
I don't want to land in the water.
We're not gonna land in the water, right?
I hope not.
Oh god, bro. Oh god. Oh god. Oh! We're about to land. Bro, we got pulled crazy. That was scary.
We did.
I brought a water.
Oh, what is that sound?
It's just a pull. It's a pull. We're good. 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 Should I record the bottom more now?
Yeah.
Let's secure the landing. Oh, he's reeling us in quick. Should I record our faces or should I record our feet?
Bro, not in the water.
No!
Not in the water.
No, he's not. Yeah, he's a troll. He's a troll. He's smiling. He thinks he's so fun. Oh! Oh!
Yo.
Oh my God! Stand up, stand up. Oh! I got you.
Stand up.
Stand up, I got
On
you.
the bar.
Hold on to the board.
Over there in the front. Go.
That was pretty cool.
Oh, shit.
We just finished.
And we just landed, boys.
That was crazy.
Most blissful fucking experience.
That was so much fun. And we get this amazing boat ride now.
Yep.
Oh my god.
Oh,
Perfect.
wait till y'all see the montage.
It's so beautiful. So beautiful. We were up there, we were so scared for a little bit. That was kind of crazy, but it was so much fun. Definitely recommend parasailing. 10 out of 10. So crazy. Hey everyone. So it's been a very long time since we vlogged last. Very long time. What time is it in the morning? Right now?
Yeah, 2:04.
2:04. Last time I even picked up the camera just to be safe for the water and everything after parasailing. It was a while ago, but we're just chilling. We did a Bruno Mars show, right?
Yep.
Bruno Mars show, and then just chilled for the rest of the day. Got some food, but yeah, right now we just got back, just chilling. Nothing else really happening.
We don't know why we're up at 2.
We can't sleep. I just want to get the camera, and now I'm just gonna start editing and put this up. But yeah, I just want to do a last quick update. We'll see you guys tomorrow.